Barbecue fam, today we're doing up beef back ribs on the SnS Kettle, and we're only using kosher salt and 16 mesh black pepper. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So in the SnS Kettle, you're going to throw in a little bit of chocolate briquettes in the corner, get it lit up, and then toss in more. But we're using Hickory chunks today. I'm using a Tiger McCool fire cup to get this lit up, and oh hell yeah, it did the job. And we're going to be cooking about 250 Fahrenheit on the SnS Kettle, and then maybe spritz with water if needed. That's it. We got some chunks of hickory. Chuck them in the bottom of the basket. And these beef back ribs, how we're going to prepare them: hit them with some avocado oil. We're sliced up in individual chunks, and then hit it with some kosher salt, 16 mesh black pepper, any granulated black pepper. Get it on there, all sides, and you don't really have to worry about the bottom too much. And then while your grill's coming up to temp, those are resting with that seasoning on there, and then you put them in indirect, cooking at 250 for about 4 to 5 hours. Let's check it out. We've been rolling pretty steady at 250 for going on about almost 4 hours. So let's check them out. We have not peaked one time. So check it out, see if we got a spritz or not. That troughed in the slow and sear, the basket. I don't fill it up with water. I haven't done that in a while. Maybe one day down the road I'll use it again, but I like this method.
Give me a hell yeah!
Well, that basket is still more than damn near 2/3 full. Dang, getting cold. But these beef back ribs are done. Oh, hell yeah, check this out. Smell of beef ribs, oh hell yeah. These beef back ribs in 4 hours, done, oh hell yeah. No spritzing, 250. The cook came out amazing, oh hell yeah. Check these guys out. Let them rest for 15 minutes. Oh hell yeah. Time to get a bite of one of these bad boys. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Dynamite. That is rocking. Yeah! Beef back ribs. It's where it's at. Oh hell yeah. If you hadn't noticed, I really like beef back ribs. They're damn good. One other cool thing about beef back ribs, the price has not moved this entire time. They're still the same price from 2 years ago. Killer beef back ribs. Beef ribs are awesome. Slow and sear kettle, third cook, awesome. This is, oh, good times. I love it. I mean, those beef ribs, oh my. Whatever cooker you're using, get out there, make some beef back ribs, oh hell yeah. You will not be disappointed, easy to do, and only about 4 hours of your time, and you don't need to babysit them. Hell no. I will catch you guys in the next cook.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh, hell yeah. So, we got the new flag, Kimball's Barbecue. And if you notice the name change, trying to be more family friendly. So, cheers. But I've never really cussed ever. So, anyway, let's see what this basket looks like after. It was over 4 hours now. We're at almost 5 hours since I got this thing lit up. And those ribs. Whew. Beef back ribs? Oh, hell yeah. No trim, no nothing. Just throw on some oil, and then, unless it's about 80 degrees out, 70, yeah, about 80 degrees out, then all you gotta do is put the kosher salt and your black pepper on it. It'll sweat in easy, but it's only like 60 now. So getting that rub to bind, you need a little something to tack it up. But anyway, this slow and sear kettle, oh hell yeah. Let's see where we're at. I closed everything up the last half hour and let it rest in there. Bam. Upon that shot, what's your first thoughts? Comment down below. Mine would be efficiency. That barely used half a basket of coal. Damn, that charcoal is barely half burnt. That's awesome. This is getting better too, because my first cook, it ripped right through it. Second cook, I didn't use that much, but this was a longer cook. Not really long, but if you're saying this will smoke for over 8 to 10 hours efficiently at 250-ish, oh hell yeah, we got a winner. Damn straight. Slow and sear kettle. This thing's badass. I like it. It's working, and that's why it found a home in the barbecue shanty here at Kimball's Barbecue. Oh hell yeah.